It's glad to be here. My name is Alex. I'm 25 years old and I'm studying business informatics in Germany. And I'm doing an Erasmus internship here in Waterford at the Walton Institute. And I write my bachelor thesis. So this is like the cause why I'm here, to write the bachelor thesis about the work I'm doing. My job here is to develop a mobile application for the palliative care area. And it's quite exciting for me to see how the stuff I learned at university I can use here really day by day, and the whole software engineering process from start to finish. And yeah, it's really exciting for me. Innovative, because there's a whole knowledge pool which just waits to be consumed by people, and that was why I came here. And I would say creative. I mean, you just need to look in the surroundings here. It's really a calm, creative space where you can just think a lot, and that's what it's all about. And I would say as a third point, I would say exciting, because that's how I feel doing my work here. Don't be shy to ask questions, because in the beginning there's a lot of things happening. If you're an Erasmus student coming into a new company, you don't know how your language play out, you kind of are a bit scared, but just engage with the people, absorb the knowledge, and then you can go forward. And that's what I did, and that's what was something I needed to learn throughout the course here. And yeah, that would be some advice I would give.